Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to make a simple oil-free instant bread halwa. So let's jump on to the recipe. For that I have taken 9 slices of wheat bread. Whether you're choosing milk or sweet bread, that's completely fine. We can use any flavored of bread. I'm going to add all these slices into a pressure cooker. Now for 9 slices of bread, I'm going to add fresh milk 3 cups. Add cardamom powder 3/4 spoon. Now help the bread to get soaked in the milk so that it gets cooked well. Make sure that all the bread corners do soak well in the milk. So we have just soaked the bread in the milk, so it helps to cook all the sides perfectly. Now we can just cover the cooker and cook it for 7 minutes in low flame. We don't need to add the whistle. A low flame cook for 7 minutes is perfectly enough. Now here, after cooking, the bread texture will be almost like the same, but we have to just give a quick mash. It gets easily mashed. I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar to it to enhance the sweetness of this halwa. Let the brown sugar melt well. If you can see now, the bread color has changed. The halwa color has come to the bread. So let us wait for the bubbles to pop out, and then we can add the ghee. Now if you see, you can see the bubbles are lighting, puffing up. I'm going to add 1 spoon of ghee and just mix the halwa mixture well. So give a good mix until the ghee is absorbed well. So now after a minute or 2, the bread halwa is almost done. I'm going to just season it with dry fruits. I have added 2 spoons of ghee and chopped cashew and badam, which are of 10 numbers, and I'm going to give a good mix to this halwa. If you see now, it is very tempting and appetizing. This is our instant bread halwa. It's very easy to cook. We have not used any oil to fry the bread. We have just cooked it perfectly in the pressure cooker. It's completely healthy for kids to eat as well, as they are very much interested to have bread halwa. So please do try this recipe at home, and do let me know all your feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut and do stay connected to watch all my videos. Thanks for watching. Meet you soon. Bye.